new series. Welcome to a new series. Today I'll be playing a game called Cats. It's a game where you build cars and battle in them. This is my car, and just want to go adapt. Better. Is there anything better than 14? Because this attack is 14 and he's at 4 energy. It's a really fun game, but it doesn't look fun. I don't know how I like it. I sort of like this one, so I'm going to put on that. I think it swings around and hits people. I'm not sure. I tried a little bit just to get past all the robots because that bit's boring. And I'm not doing very well, am I? Nope. I lost. I lose. I'm a loser. I lose. And hopefully, what is that thing? Oh yeah, I think my cousin's place came and I think it's something that lifts you up, I'm not sure. Ooh, I won. I win. And for once my name isn't Pywave, I called myself Catman. What is that sound? I want to go see what this guy's like. He has 0 medals, but he could give me a medal. Oh, I can almost get him over me. The rockets. Nope. Not very good. What if I fight this guy? Oh yay, he rolled over. Good boy. No, he's attacking my wheel. How could he attack my wheel? I loved my wheel. And they earn coins. I'm not sure what to use those for. Yay, I'm finally on the table. I'm just going to attack all the weak guys. Well, they're not weak. They're stronger than me. But they're bottom of the table. I don't know why. Woo. I customized my character a bit. Put an eye patch on him. Please comment down below what you think I should do to my guy. Oh, just turn the phone around. Yay, I'm gonna win. Woohoo! Me a winner. Yes. Getting all those coins. And coming second. I don't know how to sing. Hooray! This guy's easy. Attack! Charge! Attack! Charge! Yay! And please thumbs up this video if you like this series. It lets me know if you want to see more of it or you don't like it. And I've quit Roadtopia, guys. It's because of the robber. I think I know who he is. Yes! Attack! Yay! Woohoo! 5. I will beat him. Then I'll come back tomorrow and tell you guys if I bet him. Igor. Is he playing this? Is Popular MM-Cat playing this? Wait, I need to go check this. Is Popular MM-Cat playing cats? Scroll down. Nope. And we're back to the game. Oh, I forgot to open up this chest. I will go back in. It's 1 day, 2 hours, 23 minutes, and 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 40. Who cares? Attack! Here's a bullet. He's better than me. No! I'm going to lose because of that sticker. Blame it on the sticker. I'm very bad. Attack! Oh wait, no, this is the same guy. No, we don't like it. This guy. This guy, I think I might be able to win. Swing. I think you're able to bet. I'm not sure. I want to go do some betting. Tap to bet. Yeah, I'm able to bet. Bet this guy. He has more health, but less attack damage. Yes. And I'll come back in 4 minutes so we can see that battle. Going to go win in my league. No, not this guy. I don't like him. If he's watching this, I don't like him. He's too strong. Yes. Attack the eagle. Oh, I like him. He is an eagle as well. Eagle, if you're watching this, this is a video for you. With my eagle. This guy. Oh yes, we might be able to find out what that does. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it lifts you up. No, he's gonna push me into that thing. Yay, I survived. I'm drawing first. Attack! Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. I gave up. Okay, attack the next guy. A drill. How dare he? Yay. It's because of my big wheels. Now I think I'm winning. I'm winning. Now I can play you. Okay. Yay, I'm gonna win him. Yay, ha ha ha. You're no match for me. Okay, bye-bye. I'm gonna go see what I can do to my car. Do I have any of these things? Because I'm pretty sure these go here. A Coca-Cola bottle. Let's see what this does. Woohoo! We both have cocoa. Wee! I flipped over. I'm not sure if I like that Coca-Cola bottle. Well, it's good. I never really liked Coca-Cola anyway. Win streak over. Defeat. Oh no! I don't like the Coca-Cola. I'm just gonna have one last game with it. I give up. It's too hard. Ooh. Do you know that now you have sponsors? I don't really care what you say. Drill. Whatever it says. Knob. Rocket. Chainsaw. Went on classic. I think I have classic. I think I just unlocked classic. Are you classic? What's this? Classic, yes, I have classic. I've always had classic. Classic's the first car you get. Where is it? Here it is. Plus 28 and 30. Woohoo! No Coca-Cola. I'm gonna try this thing. 20 health, 13 health, 15 health. This one's the best. Now my car is better. We can and watch it live, guys. Live. Watch. This is live. I think. I don't know. So we voted the drill guy. He's gonna lose. Or not. We win! All parts bet get 1% bonus. And this one's on a Titan, whatever that is. I wanna go see if I have a Titan. This is a Titan. So let's give it knob wheels. So, gonna make a new class with knob wheels. I'm sneaky, y'all. I don't have the sneaky yet. And I need to go get this because it's on the Titan. 20% extra on knob. I'm gonna go see how this does. I think I'm gonna win just about by health. Woohoo! Woohoo! I win. You lose. Choo. Choo. I'm gonna lose. Bye-bye. Why is my car all sparkly? I don't like princesses. Oh yeah, I haven't tested this yet. Charge. Am I not touching him? What car does he have? I want to do some. I'm pretty sure I have another knob. No. That was the wrong car. I'm gonna go replace this with that. Because that's 100% on sneaky. Titan. On classic. Better. On classic. We're going to go to my classic. Yay! Now you're better! Woohoo! This will be last one on this for today. It's so bad I can't even reach. And we'll go. Wait, how much does this have? Yes! Yay! Woohoo! Exactly, and we'll do one battle on this, and then we'll call it a day. Pew, pew. I'm attacking. Yay, I win. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching my video if anybody did. And I will see you guys in the next video. And goodbye. Wait first.